The most luxurious car in the world is subjective and can change over time as new models and features are introduced. Luxury cars are often associated with high-end brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Mercedes-Benz, and others. These manufacturers constantly compete to create the most luxurious and technologically advanced vehicles. However, the definition of luxury can vary depending on personal preferences and specific features you value in a car, such as interior materials, comfort, technology, performance, and more. I recommend checking the latest reviews, rankings, and the offerings from luxury car manufacturers to determine the most luxurious car available at any given time. Keep in mind that new models may have been released since my last update, so it's a good idea to do some research to find the most current information. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Some of the most renowned luxury car brands include Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is often considered the pinnacle of luxury automotive excellence. Their vehicles are known for their meticulous attention to detail, opulent materials, and a smooth, quiet ride. Rolls-Royce vehicles are meticulously handcrafted, with skilled artisans paying great attention to detail. The use of premium materials such as fine leather, wood veneers, and metal accents is a hallmark of their interiors. The interiors of Rolls-Royce cars are designed to offer the utmost in comfort and luxury. Passengers can expect plush, comfortable seating, advanced entertainment and technology systems, and a serene environment for relaxation. Rolls-Royce cars are renowned for their exceptionally smooth and quiet rides. The brand invests heavily in engineering and technology to minimize noise, vibration, and harshness, ensuring a serene driving experience. Rolls-Royce models like the Phantom, Ghost, Wraith, and Cullinan are among the most exclusive and luxurious vehicles in the world, often sought after by royalty, celebrities, and affluent individuals who appreciate the brand's commitment to craftsmanship, quality, and prestige. Bentley. Bentley cars are synonymous with luxury and craftsmanship. They combine powerful engines with sumptuous interiors to provide a top-tier driving experience. Bentley is renowned for its exquisite craftsmanship. Their cars feature handcrafted interiors with the finest materials, including premium leather, wood veneers, and metal accents. The level of detail and precision in their interiors is a testament to their commitment to luxury. Bentley cars are often equipped with powerful engines, offering a combination of high-performance capabilities and a smooth, refined driving experience. Models like the Bentley Continental GT and Bentley Flying Spur are known for their impressive engine options and exceptional acceleration. Bentley places a strong emphasis on providing a comfortable and smooth ride for both the driver and passengers. Advanced suspension systems and technology are employed to ensure a plush driving experience. Bentley offers a range of models, including the Bentley Continental GT, Bentley Bentayga, Bentley Mulsanne, and the Bentley Flying Spur. These vehicles cater to discerning customers seeking a combination of powerful performance, impeccable craftsmanship, and a truly luxurious driving experience. Mercedes-Maybach. Mercedes-Maybach is a sub-brand of Mercedes-Benz that specializes in ultra-luxurious vehicles. Maybach's models often feature lavish interiors and cutting-edge technology. Mercedes-Maybach vehicles are known for their opulent and spacious interiors. They offer an unparalleled level of comfort and luxury, featuring premium materials like hand-stitched leather, high-quality wood veneers, and metal accents. The rear seats, in particular, often provide a first-class experience, with features like reclining seats, massaging functions, and an array of entertainment options. Mercedes-Maybach owners often benefit from a range of exclusive services, such as concierge services, special events, and exclusive access to luxury events and experiences. Notable models in the Mercedes-Maybach lineup include the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, which is often considered one of the most luxurious and opulent sedans in the world. Mercedes-Maybach vehicles are favored by those who seek the ultimate in comfort, refinement, and exclusivity in their luxury cars. Aston Martin. Known for its elegant and sporty designs, Aston Martin offers luxurious grand tours that cater to the discerning driver. Aston Martin is celebrated for its elegant and timeless design language. Their cars are characterized by sleek, aerodynamic shapes, iconic grille, and distinctive styling cues that have made them a symbol of automotive artistry. Aston Martin vehicles are equipped with powerful engines that deliver thrilling performance. Whether it's their V8 or V12 engines, these cars offer impressive acceleration and top speeds. The interiors of Aston Martin cars combine luxury with sportiness. High-quality materials, handcrafted details, and advanced technology are seamlessly integrated into the cabin to provide a comfortable and sophisticated driving experience. Bugatti. Bugatti is famous for producing high-performance, limited-edition hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron, which combine incredible power with exquisite craftsmanship. The Bugatti Chiron is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged GAVU16 engine that produces a mind-blowing 1,500 horsepower, 1,479 bp in its standard configuration. This immense power enables the Chiron to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 2.5 seconds and achieve a top speed of well over 260 miles per hour. Bugatti engineers have implemented state-of-the-art technology and engineering solutions to harness the Chiron's power, ensuring it delivers a controlled and exhilarating driving experience. This includes advanced aerodynamics, high-performance tires, and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. Lamborghini. Lamborghini supercars are known for their striking looks, high-performance capabilities, and a luxurious, driver-centric experience. Lamborghini cars are instantly recognizable for their avant-garde and aggressive design. They feature sharp lines, angular styling, and iconic scissor doors, making them stand out on the road. Lamborghini vehicles are equipped with powerful engines that offer exhilarating performance. Models like the Lamborghini Huracan and Lamborghini Aventador are known for their roaring V10 and V12 engines, respectively. Lamborghini cars are designed for high-speed performance and rapid acceleration. They are engineered for precision and agility, providing drivers with a thrilling and dynamic driving experience. Porsche. Porsche offers luxury sports cars and SUVs with a strong focus on performance, quality, and cutting-edge technology. Ferrari. Ferrari combines Italian design and performance, making it a symbol of luxury and speed. Audi A8. Audi's flagship sedan, the A8, is known for its advanced technology, luxurious interior, and refined driving experience. Lexus LS. The Lexus LS is a Japanese luxury sedan with a reputation for reliability, comfort, and advanced features. The most luxurious car for you will depend on your personal preferences, budget, and specific requirements. Luxury can be defined in various ways, such as comfort, performance, craftsmanship, or technology. Ultimately, the most luxurious car is the one that aligns best with your individual taste and needs. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.